ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में जब कभी हम किसी बाइक, कार या किसी भी चीज की बात करते हैं, सबसे बड़ा सवाल मन में क्या आता है खरीदने से पहले कि गाड़ी का कलर कैसा होना चाहिए, क्यों रिफा? या फिर बाइक का कलर कैसा होना चाहिए, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा होना चाहिए। इसी पे थोड़ा और झलक और थोड़ी सी बातें करने के लिए हमारे साथ एक गेस्ट है। रिफा, प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
She is the CMF designer and she is going to talk to us about the story behind all of these automobiles that we're talking about today here. तो सबसे पहला सवाल आपके लिए, अवार्ड जीतने के बाद आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and thank you ABP for the wonderful award for us, and it is a really proud moment for TVS to winning this award for RTX, which is almost 19 times in our
Excellent. That is, I must say, it's a commendable number, 19 awards for TVS.
अवार्ड्स मिलने भी चाहिए। मैंने जैसा शुरुआत में बताया कि रंगों का खेल है सारा। हम चाहे किसी भी ईवी की बात करें या हम पेट्रोल की बात करें, डीजल की बात करें, हर किसी में रंग तो है, रंगों का ही खेल है सारा। So when we talk about a bike, which color you prefer?
While designing the color of the bike, I see what kind of bike it is. RTX is adventure bike, okay? So the first thing which came to my mind when I was just deciding the colors of the bike is the nature. So I travel to the nature, and when you ride a bike in a nature, what colors you see? So that's
Let
how.
me guess, it's green?
Yeah, green is the first thing. Definitely people could relate in it. But the green, what I choose is a viper green. It's taken from a snake. You ride on a soil of the forest and all. So there is another color we decided is a brown color for the bike. So every color, very adventurous colors, and when you see the launching videos of it, it speaks about the colors. It speaks about the mountains colors and all. And the journey of this bike will go on this line only. This is how we create the story of RTX.
आप कोई anecdote सुना सकते हैं, like from the time while you were designing? And I'm sure it's going to be a process where a lot of members are involved. So some story, some anecdote about the team that you can share with us.
Team in design always debate, decide, and what will click to customer, right? It is a very tough things for a designer to decide which will click to customers and all. And I think we have put our point right for RTX, launching the bike, the pricing, the CCs, the customers, and the colors. Definitely.
Which department you like more in manufacturing unit of a bike? Which department you really think so?
I'm a designer, so I'm in love with design,
Okay.
and I want to be in design because design is one thing. I'm not, I respect manufacturing. I
Of course,
respect
yes.
here. I respect marketing, who make our dream to come true from a baby to a full-grown man,
True.
So
Your team is the one that visualizes what it's going to do.
yeah. It's more risky. It's more fun, but it is also interesting. So I would like to be in design.
So Rifa, why don't you do one thing?
Let's
दो
play a
कलर्स का
game.
खेल हम आपके साथ भी खेल ही
It's
लेते
called
हैं।
red light, green
Red
light.
light, green light.
And if you agree with our statement, then
Okay.
green. And otherwise, you show us the red light.
Okay.
Here.
Go on.
Yeah.
So more horsepower is always better.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Could you elaborate in one line?
More fun.
Okay.
That?
More horsepower is more fun. Okay. Every driver should learn on manual.
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
it's
It is
true.
very necessary.
Are you a bike rider?
Not a very vigorous, but I love riding bikes.
You love riding bikes, which is something that we should talk about more often, because we are seeing, I'm sure you must be seeing a lot of female riders also riding.
Yeah,
हम
definitely.
कहेंगे अकेले कैमरे पे दो लोगों के बीच बैठे हैं तो अभी कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी, बट फैक्ट ये है कि जो है महिलाओं को बिल्कुल आज़ादी है चलाने की, उन्हें चलाना भी चाहिए बिकॉज दे लुक सो गुड राइडिंग अ बाइक. Do you really personally prefer to drive a bike on mountains?
Yeah, definitely. I
And
love it. Yeah.
Go for it.
As a pillion rider, not definitely on the U-pins. Definitely
Okay.
not.
Okay. Okay. Horns are used too much in India.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
You like
Yeah. Of course not. I don't think anyone's going to agree to that. Okay, next. Road trips over flights.
Road trips.
Road trips over flights.
After all,
Okay,
into the
okay.
bike industry.
Off-roading is gutsy.
Gutsy, yes.
Gutsy,
Gutsy,
yes. Okay. Now moving on to, since you told us a little about designing, a little about the awards that you've gotten, can you also tell us what are interesting trends in the industry that you're seeing at present that make you really excited for the future and for your brand?
If I see both four-wheeler and two-wheeler, definitely EVs are on trend. Definitely, we are also in line with EV. The interfaces of cars or bikes, that is also becoming very interesting, like a big screen on a cars and all, which is also interesting. And also people are trying mobility solutions not for two wheels or four wheels. They are going beyond that.
Any advice जो आप देना चाहेंगी to young people who aspire to become, vehicle designers or automobile designers like you?
I think you have to have a passion to come for specifically automobile. You have to love for the car, love for the bikes, to drive. That's why I said riding bikes or driving cars is very important when you design those things.
आखिरी सवाल, हम बढ़ रहे हैं विकसित भारत की तरफ 2047. We talk about a transformed India that we want to see.
Yeah.
What is your vision for that?
Being into the bike industry.
I think more flexible it should become, compactable, because I think populations or technology will be more advanced. In car industry, they are thinking of flying cars. So in two-wheeler also, they should think something like on-road.
Excellent. Thank you so much. It was
Thank
lovely
you so
speaking.
much.
Thank
for
you so
smiling.
much. Thank you so much.
It
Thank
was
you so
nice
much.
connecting
Yeah.
with you.